Hello all. So in today's lecture we are going to understand the simplification of Boolean sums but by the some different other laws. Yeah, it is from a vice versa case, that means right hand side to left hand side, or by the De Morgan's law. So there are basically 2-3 examples we are going to consider in it. Let's start it from the De Morgan sum, which is asked to you to prove in a way like this one. So let's start it from the left hand side. I hope everyone is remember with the De Morgan's theorem. If it is not so, I am writing it here. It's whole bar, so individual bar, and if it is for dot products, whole bar, so it will be individuals bar plus product plus matlab or in, right? So let's start it from the left hand side. There is AB whole bar plus A plus B whole bar, bracket complete, into A B bar, right? Let's apply De Morgan's theorem here. So it will become A bar plus B bar, this term, then plus this term become A bar dot B bar, right? And this one become A B bar as it is. So you need to write here again, as I told you in a previous lecture, that you used De Morgan's theorem, right? So A bar A B bar plus, solve this, B bar A B bar plus A bar B bar A B bar. I solve all this one with this one, this one with this one, and last one, this one with this one, right? Now everyone knows that B bar dot B bar is equals to B bar, just, right? So let's, and A bar into A, that is 0, so 0 plus A B bar plus, here again A bar into A, that is 0, so you will get A B bar as a right hand side, which is asked. You need to mention all the things here in a bracket, that A bar dot A is equals to 0, and these two rules are applied in this equation, correct? Now let's go for the second example, which will show you how to start proving from left hand side to right hand side, or which will show you how to prove right hand side to left hand side. The sum is, it is equals to AB plus AC bar. Now there is nothing to make common and you cannot count anything, you just try to make it practice. So we can start it from the right hand side, AB plus A bar C. See, sometimes to reduce a term, first you need to add some terms in it, then and then you will be able to do it. So let's start. You need to prove from here to here. So which term is missing? There is B and C is not there. So we are adding some terms with the B and C. So AB 1 plus C, because 1 plus C is equals to 1, that everyone know, matlab 1 plus A equal to 1. So we added in 1 plus C, and A bar C having 1 plus B, या B plus 1. So by solving this, your equation will become AB plus ABC plus A bar C plus A bar B and C, right? Now you can take something common from any term. Let's assume that you can take B and C common from here. So your term become BC in bracket A plus A bar plus AB plus A bar. See, this 2 will become as it is. When you take BC common, this one will be as it is. So let's rearrange this according to our requirement, that is A bar B, AC bar. I mistaken it here, it's AC bar, right? And B and C, because again you need to write here that A plus A bar is equals to 1, therefore, right? So by the way that you proved that right hand side is equals to left hand side, you got the term which is asked at a initial point. So from next lecture we will move in a further topic. Thank you.